my topic is about agriculture with drip irrigation and vermicompost. India is a developing country, sir. So agriculture is source for economic development of our country. So I want to say some few development implementations about agriculture. In drip irrigation, when this windmill is rotated by any wind, so it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So that it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So it draws water from this well and supplies to these pipes called drips. From this drips it is supplied to each and every plant. With this drip irrigation we can cultivate more within less land and we can get more production. And we can say that water is supplied to each and every plant. Nowadays we are using artificial machines like tractors for digging of the soil, so it flow from the deeper layers of the soil, so that within few years we can't cultivate more and the soil loses its fertility. So we have to reduce some modern methods. So we have to use natural methods like by digging with oxes. So by digging with oxes is our traditional method, and also it flow from the soil within which height we have to dig. So that within few years soil will not lose its fertility and we can cultivate more in few years. And we are using artificial fertilizers nowadays. So if we consume the crop which is obtained from artificial fertilizer, we are getting so many diseases. So we have to use natural fertilizers. This is vermicompost. Within vermicompost we can prepare natural fertilizer. We have to dig a pit in the soil and we have to put agriculture waste, weeds and etc. into it, and we have to supply water and we have to release earthworms, so that within few days, means 71 days, earthworms will decompose and secrete some fluid. We have to collect that fluid. So we have to spray it on the plants which are infected by the insects or any other insects. The insects will be killed and the plant will grow very healthily. And the waste which we are using for collecting the fluid, we can use it as natural fertilizers.
Thank you. What's your name, you said?
Srija.
Ma?
Srija.
Srija. Which school you are from?
Vijaya High School.
Where is that? Adilabad. Oh, Adilabad. Oh, there's one girl from Inspire Awards in the national level. She has come. Ye Manasa?
We don't know.
Oh, okay, no problem. Because I think she is from Adilabad district, I believe. Okay, anyhow, what's your ambition?
IAS.
Oh, yes, you want to write civils and I'll find good. What's about your ambition?
Ambition.
Oh, okay, wonderful. Who is your science teacher?
Mohan Reddy sir.
Okay.